So Apple in 2015 released the Apple Watch, and they also released the Apple Watch Edition. Now, the only problem with the Apple Watch Edition was, of course, the price. It went over $17,000. And I mean, nobody could afford that Apple Watch, and that's why Apple stopped selling it. Now the Apple Watch Edition in gold has just been a dream since it came out. I mean, when Apple released the Apple Watch, that's the one that I wanted. I wanted the Apple Watch Edition with a white sport band. It's just been a dream. But of course, it was the price that was stopping me because nobody, as I said, nobody could afford it. So this company right here, which actually wrote us a letter as well. Thank you. Hello, Nikias. Thank you for your help. Hope you enjoy. Regards, saludos, Fernando. A company called De Vilas Deluxe, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, basically sells gold-plated Apple Watch. Now, I don't really know what to expect from this because if it doesn't really look too good, it's just gonna look fake and it's just not gonna look good at all. But if it looks good, I'm so excited to unbox this. Let's just get right on it. Let's go ahead and unbox this beautiful Apple Watch. I mean, hopefully it's beautiful. Hopefully it is. Which, by the way, if you guys are planning into getting a new Apple Watch, to be honest, I definitely get this gold-plated Apple Watch. I mean, first of all, let me give you my first impressions. First off, this is not sponsored whatsoever. Wait, let's go ahead and get rid of that. We get, whoa, hold on a second. You guys see that? All right, hold on. We get some nice paperwork. We get a sport band, of course. It's just like a standard Apple. They don't really touch anything else. They give you all the sport bands. But look, hold on. Check this out. Let me get rid of that. Check this out. Look at the Apple Watch charger. Look at this. I mean, just look at this. It's gold plated. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. Oh man, this looks so good. Just check this out. It's so beautiful. I have a gold plated Apple Watch charger. How cool is that? Let's go ahead and get on to the good stuff. The Apple Watch. Man, I'm so nervous, but I'm also so excited. All right, let's do it. Holy cow. Holy, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely beautiful. I just can't believe I have this in my hands. It's pretty heavy, of course, because it's the stainless steel one. And look, check this out. The actual buckles are, of course, gold plated. So just simply the detail on this Apple Watch is absolutely beautiful. I feel like I'm gonna keep saying the word beautiful in this video, but that's just the way it is. This Apple Watch is just beautiful. So everything just looks so good. I just see one problem, and it's this thing right here. There's a black digital crown. Because of course it's the stainless steel and the black digital crown is in the stainless steel. Now, this is the problem that I see. Of course, there's white, gold, and then there's a black digital crown, and I don't really like it. So of course, I've got some watch dots over here, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply these watch dots right here, like this. Of course, it's all going to be white and gold. So let's go ahead and apply them. And there we go. This Apple Watch just looks perfect now. It looks so beautiful. I can't. Oh my gosh. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Don't worry, I know this video was short. I'll be making is this Apple Watch worth it? Because I know it can get pricey. I think it can get over 1,500 bucks to 2,000 bucks. And I'm sure you guys have a lot of questions. How does the warranty work on this? The actual company explains it really well on their website. So we'll of course leave that down below. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm literally gonna go pair it right now because I'm honestly so excited to just put this on my wrist, which by the way, I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Man, how awesome does this look? I mean, this is just absolutely beautiful. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think about this? Let me know, because I'm honestly so excited and so happy that I have this. If you guys want to get some watch stats, or of course the watch itself, they will all be linked in the description below. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. By the way, I'm back from vacation, so the daily uploads will continue. Peace.